6 o'clock. Welcome to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we do quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. Tonight's going to be an interesting night because it's an easier dish, but I'm throwing a couple of different variables in there, which could get pretty interesting. And I'm doing it because, look, again, the whole gist of this show is 2 thumbs up from the guinea pig, right? You want to say hi, babe?
Sure.
All right, so here she is. There she is. If this is your first time hopping on, there is the guinea pig, my wife, Michelle. So that's what we do. So at the end of the meal, I cook the meal, and then at the end of the meal, I give a little portion of the meal to Michelle, the guinea pig, and she either gives me 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down, or 2 thumbs down, 2 up, excellent, 1 good, 1 down, eh, and 2 down, So I'm doing something that I think is gonna hopefully get 2 thumbs up, but we'll see what happens, all right? Tonight we are doing chicken sandwiches, homemade chicken sandwiches with melted mozzarella, and we are doing homemade mayonnaise, like a pesto mayo. Okay, so let's get to cooking. So I got my chicken cutlets nice. I got my fresh mozzarella. I'm going to actually do it with some sauteed onions, little caramelized onions. I got some tomato here that I'm going to top it with, okay? I'm going to use a little bit of butter. I have my pesto, my jarred pesto. I have never made my own mayonnaise before, so I have no idea what I'm doing. I think it's pretty easy, but we'll see, okay? So I have a cup of olive oil that I'm using. I got a quarter teaspoon of Dijon mustard. I have, I think, a tablespoon of lemon juice. I have, I don't know, white wine vinegar, but a little bit, half a tablespoon, maybe something like that. I got a little bit of sea salt, and I got an egg. Okay, let's get to cooking here. Now I'm gonna season this with just salt and pepper tonight. I'm not getting fancy here. I'm just doing salt and pepper because that's how I roll. We get some pepper on these. I got a good shot at getting 2 thumbs up, and here's why. You could put mozzarella on anything. My wife will eat it. All right, so frying up these cutlets. I had to cut them thin, nice and thin, because they were it was like cray how big and thick they were. Cray. And now while the cutlets are frying up, we're gonna make homemade mayonnaise. This ought to be interesting. So now we're gonna get down and dirty with this mayo. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna crack an egg in here. Just a little white wine vinegar. Little lemon juice. Sea salt. Dijon. The oil goes in last. Oh, shaky hand. The oil should start to come to the center, the top. So I'm just gonna let that sit for a couple of seconds. Take a little bit of butter tonight. My olive oil. Take my onions, I already pre-chopped them, got them in my little baggie. Okay. Let's make some mayonnaise. Ready? Babe, you may want to cover up your shirt. Something's happening. So for about 10-15 seconds, we'll leave it right at the bottom until it starts to smooth up a little bit. Okay, and then you start to gently kind of move it up and down. It's making a lot of weird noises. See that one?
It broke?
No. Shot up and got me it's probably on my face. Dude, look at this. I got mayo. See that? Okay, this is working out. See my dogs, Rolo? This one, she's pawing at me. She's so good. She's so good. And Snickers is just like looking at us like, put her down. Oh, here we go. Yeah, there's Snicks. Oh, you're a stinky head. So we're gonna give this a little mix here. We got homemade mayonnaise. So if you guys are like out of mayo, I'll let you know how it is. But if you're ever out of mayo, just a couple of ingredients here. You guys know what I'm about to say. This is, you finish the sentence. This is real life. Now we just gotta get the measuring right. Now we're gonna make the pesto mayo, and we're gonna do it up nice, okay? We're gonna take a cup of the mayonnaise. So I'm gonna put that cup of mayo in here. Look at that. Nice. This is gonna be something special. How's it taste? Yeah? Okay, so now I'm gonna take 3 tablespoons of the pesto. See, I'm just gonna cover this now. I got the mozzarella. I just put the mozzarella on the chicken that I'm gonna give Michelle. I'm gonna mix up the pesto mayo. Okay, I'm gonna mix this up. Oh man, look at that. Woo! Yummy. Got my bread toasting. Yeah, are you ready to eat?
Ready?
Yeah. You gonna be ready?
Yeah.
We're gonna get Michelle her sandwich, and we're gonna be looking for 2 thumbs up. We'll see what she gets. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of this pesto mayonnaise on the bottom of her the bread. Okay, I know she likes this mayo. Put a little bit on top too. It's gonna be messy a bit, but you know,
I like it messy.
I have faith in you. I have faith in the guinea pig. Okay, I'm going to get this, going to get my chicken. A little tomato on here for her. 1 or 2 tomatoes, babe. I know you, I know. Don't worry about it, I got you. Give her some onions.
A lot of onions.
Take it easy, babe. Man, look at this. Oh, yes. On a paper plate and everything. Because who cares? Who cares? A little bit more mayo. She likes that. Okay, baby, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to rock this? Hold on. Gotta do this. Come on, put some mozzarella.
Yes.
Sure. I love mozzarella. Okay. There we have it. Let's get her a napkin. She's gonna need it. Let's see what we got. All right, let's see what the guinea pig thinks. Come on, stop doing your work, you bookworm. Go for 2. I'm not swaying. I'm waiting.
I'm nervous and jealous.
She gets on my case all the
The
time.
noises that come out of him, the pacing, the hand gestures. Very good. I give you 2 thumbs up.
All right, baby, yeah! Look at that. All right. Homemade pesto mayo and everything. That's how you do it. I'm happy. And you want to know why else I'm happy? I'm happy because she's happy. And we know that happy wife equals happy life. But I'm also happy because I I agree. I could just look at this and I could agree that I'm going to have an awesome dinner tonight. I didn't make a side with this. I made the onions, made the caramelized onions. It's good enough for me tonight. You know, guys, that is it. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Tomorrow night we are back at it. And tomorrow we have steak tacos and we're using filet mignon. It's nice because Michelle really doesn't like red meat that much, but she'll eat a filet. So I got to make sure when I do a steak taco, it's not like this, tough meat. It's got to be nice and tender and juicy and sort of melt in your mouth kind of thing. And guys, that is it. Cook it with the skinny guinea. Finish it fast, even in the kitchen. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great night. Take care.